Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Briana Marie, and I am doing a hair tutorial. Well, not me, my mom is doing a hair tutorial. And the first thing we want to do when making a wig is get your frontal or closure. Make sure it's bleached before you start installing it, and plucked if that's what you like. It's still hard for me to pluck my frontals, I'm telling you. I do not get a down pack, nor do my mama get a down pack neither. So what she's doing now is grabbing her thread and she's just taking that frontal, placing it from ear to ear. She actually sized my head so that the frontal can fit snug. And she's just going all the way across, and what she does is uses 2 needles so that when she meets the middle, everything will lay flat. And she just folds and ties a knot in those 2 needles, well no, those 2 threads, sorry, and cuts it off. So that's what she's going to do all the way around. So making a wig is really easy peasy. All she's going to do is take her tracks next, and she's going to go from closure to closure, or frontal to frontal, as I might say, because this is a frontal. And she's going to pin it with the T-pin side to side from the frontal, and she's going to start sewing. So she's just going with the shape of the dome, and then as you get to the top, you want to lay it flat by cutting it. So she's doing the folding method. You can cut it, but you know, to make it lay flatter, but it's all personal preference. So that's what she's doing, and I'll meet you back when we get to the top. Okay, now, so we finally made it to the top, and this is what the wig is looking like. Very pretty. I love the hair, and I love how luxurious it looks on camera. The only thing I noticed is that this hair is really thin. So if you like thin hair to make it look more natural instead of, you know, not so full and fake looking, then this is the way to go, but it is really thin. Also, another thing is, a good thing is that this hair curls really good and it lasts long. So take note, you want the natural look, but your curls last so long. And when she gets to the top, so back to the top. So what she's doing now is just basically trying to close up that section. She's just laying it flush on the cap, and she's going to do this until she closes the wig completely, because you're not going to see this part because your frontal is going to cover that. So she's just laying it flat, tying it to the knot, cutting it, and doing the same thing until she gets all the way up to the frontal. So that's all she's doing, and I don't know if you saw the styling video, but the styling video will be up. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's so easy. Just look at this video, pause it, play it, press it back to see what she's doing. It's really easy. You all will get it. I know you will. A wig is super easy to do. So the only thing is the plucking part that I hate that part. Look at this video, and I'm telling you, let me know how you achieved your first wig or attempt at a first wig, because I would love to know and see it. Hot glue gun is actually better too, because all you're doing is gluing it instead of sewing it. So you're just using the same method. So she's going to close this out, and the styling video will be with the makeup tutorial. So if you want to see that, then click above or look in the description bar below, because that video will be up as well. So I appreciate you guys so much. I know I've been gone, but today I'm going to New York, so I am going to vlog that. So I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.